Good morning, friends. In this video, we will discuss about SAP ISU billing and invoicing master data. So, master data in ISU house. So, first we create the technical master data. In technical master data, we create the connection object. Connection object may be your house, buildings. So, in connection object, we create after that we create the premise. Means how many apartments are there, how many flats are there. So it depends upon that we create the multiple premise. If there is no multiple story, if only one buildings or one house, so we create one connection object. Then we create one premise. Then how many services we are providing to the customer. So based on the services, we create the installations. Suppose we providing your gas, electricity, and water to the customer. Then we create three installation for three services. One installation for your gas, one installation for your electricity, one installation for your water. Then we create the device location. Device location is the location where we install the meter devices. We also maintain the location of the device locations, means at which place we are installing the meter. Then we create the business partner may be your person, organizations. uh, Business partner is the entity to whom we provide the services. Then we create contract account. Then we do the moving of the services. Then when we do the moving of the services, then contract get created for for each services. Separate contract is get created. Suppose if we are using three services, so three contract will be created for one contract for gas, one contract for electricity, one contract for your water, and the grid through which we do the supply. So we maintain the grid. So from the grid we do the connection with the meter. So that is the POD, point of delivery. Master data. This component contains data for the utility industry. Component that remains unchanged over a long period of time. The graphic below illustrates the master data and show how the various objects are related to each other. There are two different types of master data: business master data and technical master data. So in master data, when you see here, so business partner contact account contact are your business master data. Technical master data: device location, connection object, premise, installation. Then connection, technical installation we do here. Then a POD, grid. All these are technical master data, non-billable services. They are service providers. All these are business master data. Business partner. Business partner, a person, organizations, group of person, or group of organizations in which a company has a business interest. You use this business object for a variety of the business transactions. You create and manage your business partner BP centrally along with the roles they assume for your company. Various business partner, your owners, customer, debtors, tenants, prospects, employee, commercial industrial customers, individuals and companies. Business partner relationship, flexible interfaces, integration of business roles, groups, installer. So all these are your business partner. Roles of business partner means name, business partner name, address, personal data, communications, contract partner, payment, transactions, general data, account class, social insurance, creditworthiness, installer type of company, division, license, work field, license, identification, prospects, branch of industry, relationship, contract history. Business partner data. What the data we maintain is business partner. Business partner data general. In general, we maintain a form of address, name, legal forms, company group, search terms. Addresses means in that we maintain our standard address, PO box address, other addresses. Communication, telephone, fax, extension, internal email, outline. So all the data we maintain for all the roles. BP relationship, hierarchy equal connected, payment transaction, bank details, below direct, additional data, status, identification numbers, legitimatization, registry entry. So all the data we maintain that is data for specific roles. Contract account. This component enables you to create and manage contract account master data. In contract account receivable and payable, each business partner posting is assigned to one business partner and to one contract account. In the contract account master records, you can define for each business partner the procedures that apply when posting and processing the line items of a given contract account. This includes, for example, payment and dunning. Contract account data, general data, account name, account number in legacy system, terms of payment, tolerance group, control, alternative bill recipient, paid by collective bills account, additional bills, account assignment, where used list for OLS planning groups, account determination clearing group. All these are the general data which we maintain in contract account data. Dunning payment data, dunning control, defining letter recipient, dunning block regions, incoming payments, payment method, payment details, alternate payers, outcome, outgoing payments, payments method, bank details, alternate pay, bill directs. Contract definition. Utility contracts are utility service agreement between the utility company and its business partners. The following contracts category exist. Delivery contracts, for example, for residential contracts, non-residential contracts, cable televisions, telecommunications, purchase contracts for small power producers, solar installations, and other forms of energy transmission. Plant consumption contracts for generation and distribution installations of the utility company. Company's consumption contracts, for example, for the electricity consumption of the offices as the utility company. Waste disposal contracts for the waste disposal industry. Contract data. In general contract data, we maintain a contract count, division, company code, individual operation consumption, statistics group, authorizations group, move in, move out data, installation, moving data, moving date, move out date, scheduling data, contract starts, end date, renewal dates, cancellation dates, data related to billing, joint invoicing, billing, blocking regions, outsourcing group, account assignment data, account determination ID, cost center, business area, sales data, sales partners, representative, sales documents, deregulation data, service providers, invoicing, external contract number, payment class, data relevant to billing, budget billing adjustment, budget billing cycles. So all the data we maintain in contract data. So thank you, my friends, for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.